Hello guys, good something. All right, seems like the sound is all right. Everything looks fine. Um, Good morning. It's Tuesday. Seems like we had a rough inauguration yesterday on a Monday with Trump and everything like that. And the markets are looking a little bit heavy, just my 2 cents. While it's low time frame, you might think that okay, the market's looking good and stuff like that. Well, high time frame, if you are zooming out, mm, mm, it's not looking great. It's not looking great. Um, all right, no, okay. Everything should be all right. Please just confirm me, guys, if you can hear me and stuff like that. I think everything should be all right. No, okay. I have a short from here already. Yeah, something like this. Well, a lot of people are losing the sight of what's happening on low time frame, and they are losing the bigger picture because if you go on daily, man, you tell me this is bullish. I mean, if we look level by level, we can see this first key level here. We just lost it, and right now we are just at the second key level, which we lost it once again here. And you can see with yesterday candle, I'm removing my drawings from. No, it's all right. So we initially lost the first key S&R level here. Uh, Next one is this key level here. And we can see we lost the first one, deviation. Now look at this one here. It's supply once again. We lost this one. And once again, we lost this one. Look at the confirmation of the previous day candle. So we lost three core key support levels, S&R, you name them, yeah. We lost them on high time frame. All right. Well, I don't know. Uh, that tells a lot. That tells a story. And if you go on 1 hour, because I saw a lot of people, yeah, let's long it. Well, guys, we discussed. I mean, now it's noise, but you get the idea. This is Bitcoin. All right. I'm not necessarily saying that we should dump to this area, but if we look at the daily time frame, we can see we have an FEG here at 61.8. You know, golden pocket. It's when I'm taking a setup, my to-go Fibonacci is golden pocket. There is no better fib level for me than golden pocket. And we saw this movie here. I don't know. I'm trading daily for more than 2 years right now. I saw this movie so many times. What do you think it will happen here? uh, some smart guys with a 10% win rate, you get the idea, might tell me, oh, we have a triangle breakout. Yeah, bullshit. It's descending supply, meaning that sellers are stepping in more aggressively and more aggressively as this parabola is going lower, and they are protecting each high. That means this area is not safe. So you cannot come to me and say, oh, let's long here. No, actually, it's one of the easiest short setups that you can get. I gave this setup on VIP. This is easy money. Yeah, it's not a good idea to short necessarily this area because it's a key S&R level you can see here. But based on the high time frame, I just wanted to put some skin in the game. I went with a 0.5 25%. Uh, that's what I'm doing. It's up to you what you're doing with your money. But I went with the zero point 0.5 here. Not a big deal. Scalping wise, daily. I'm still interested in scalp long on daily on Monday low here and maybe take profit at the mid range. Let me check. Because if we look based on a weekly profile, we can have a 0.5% bounce, meaning exactly this the rate of this highs. So I expect something like this. Then we raided these highs and we reject once again. That's my expectation for the upcoming days. And this is this golden pocket here, as we previously confirmed. All right. Man, 38 people. Guys, type something in the chat. I mean, no good morning, no hello. Ah, there you go. I think my chat wasn't loading. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Hey, Shogun. Hey, man. Um, Good morning, guys. Yeah, I think my chat was blocked or something like that. All right. So I'm short Bitcoin and Ethereum. I don't care if I'll take a stop loss. It's my job to take a stop loss. It's up to you what you're doing. This morning I took a 1 minute scalp here, but I'm already. I mean, I was getting my daughter to kindergarten and I saw this. Technically, it was a swing failure. There you go. So we had the swing failure here, and I took this long here with really low skin in the game. Once I saw the reclaim of this area, but I'm already out because with swing failure, this pivot key level, you can see we failed to hold it. Okay. Are you guys having fun lately? Because I'm having a lot of fun. I mean, it was insanely profitable for me. Last 2 weeks was profitable, but to be honest, I was speaking with PJ, dude. Next year, I put in my journal. Next year, when I'll be coming back from vacation, January 1st until January 12th, because my birthday, for example, is on 10th of January. I'll take the first 2 weeks of January. I'll take them off. Fuck it. I'll take the first 2 days because it was an absolute nightmare to trade the first weeks of January was horrible. And yeah, mainly due to the fact that big money they weren't involved in any transaction at that point, and the volatility it's out. And we had a really tight. And look at this bullshit here. This is very difficult to trade. This crap here, starting 7 to 13, and then we had this slow grind to the upside, which gave you absolutely nothing. I mean, I hate trading something like this. All right, pick up volume. No, I think the volume on my microphone it's all right. Picking up volume, maybe you mean trading volume. Yeah. All right. So the plans for today. To be honest, I'm gonna look at the 4 hours here. We are just starting to lose levels here. We just flip this one on the 4 hours. Not to mention this one we engulfed here. And right now it's at this key level, which I mentioned, which I think it will not hold. I mean, look at the previous 1, 2, 3, 4 candle. We have 4 1-hour candles. We confirmed supply. You might say that we have a W here, but for me, a W is not like this. I don't care about the weeks. When I'm trying to get in a long position, what are you guys saying? Video is not available? What is going on? Volume issues, video is not available. No, for my part, everything says it's all right. Green, everything is green, and it's fine. When I'm looking at a potential breakout, I want to see a big candle, yeah, meaning a displacement, and then I might look for hopping in. Without the displacement candle, I don't care about anything else because that means basically the volume is not there and the buyers or the sellers they are not um, they don't want to step in basically, yeah. So don't get um, chopped up here. If you want to follow the trend, you have the brain dead indicator. You can unplug your brain with this indicator. When I'm tired, to be honest, when I'm tired, I'm just putting in this indicator and boom, I have a short setup and that's it. And I target Monday low. Brain dead easy indicator. Brain dead easy. And that's how I took these two trades here. Yeah. Let's look at okay, let's delete. Actually, let's look at Solana because I made a plan on Solana and on TI I made a plan here. I don't need a TAG. Maybe let the HMA here. All right. Um, Russian menace. Well, you know, uh, a lot of people are saying, well, I've been trading for 4 years. I've been trading for 6 years, but they're not taking in account how many hours per day they put into the effort of trading. So if you ask me how much it took me to be a trader, around 360 days, meaning 1 year with um daily showing off my ass about 8 hours a day. Sometimes I even traded for 12 hours, 14 hours, just to do a lot of back testing, a lot of live trading with actual money, skinning the game, and documenting everything. So I think if you put the time and effort for more than 1 year, but consistently, I think anyone can do it. Do you think the all season? Well, looking at Ethereum, Bitcoin, you have to be crazy not to be thinking that you're closer to a bottom than to a top. I mean, we need to finish off with a capitulation here. I don't know how violent it will be, but look at this one, for example. We need this capitulation, this V-shaped bottom, which will then create a nice recovery. All the rallies, all the previous bull market rallies have started with a capitulation here. Even take this one in consideration, and it was December to January. I mean, look at this, December, January, capitulation, capitulation. Sell in May, walk away, buy when it snows, sell when it goes, the ideas. So I think we are really close to a potential capitulation here on altcoins and crypto across the board, which will eventually finish off with a nice flush and V-shaped recovery. I mean, the recovery will be instant. I think we will dump like 15, 20, 30% if it will be the case, but they will instantly recover ground. Yeah. I mean, you will just open this crap here and you'll see minus. Yeah, you'll not see 0% or 2%. You will see minus 20, minus 15. That's my point of view. Uh, but the idea is not. A lot of people are losing out of focus the core essence of profitability and making money. Absolutely no professional trader is giving a shiznits about where the price is going. And a lot of people, just because they have been influenced by the majority of influencers, yeah, that you need to predict where the price will be going. You need to be like a wizard of knowing where the price is going. Where that's bullshit. The skill of a trader, the real capacity of generating money comes from execution and from answering the question what you will do when the price does that. So you have like an equation. You have the x, you have the amount, and you need to put the equal. You don't give a damn about where the price will be going, up or down. We don't care. We make money. The essence of this is creating a plan which will suit any kind of environment and any kind of reaction from the market. And based on that, you will take advantage of the market moves. So we are not here to predict where the market will be going. I'm here to make money. All right? Up or down, I really don't care. I'm here to make money, and I'll not be trying to predict if the market it goes up or down. I'm playing my setup. If I have my conditions met, boom, I'll play my setups. Yeah. I took a long here. I posted on VIP some short positions here. I don't care about the outcome. Why I don't care about the outcome? You might say, oh, he's stupid. He doesn't care. Well, I don't care because I know if I do this for 100 times, I'll be profitable. If I'll be doing this for 100 times, I'll be profitable. All right. All right. So as I said here, we have two core key points here, pivot points. You can see here, this is a swing low, which created an impulsive movement. So I think a swing failure of this one can be a potential reversal, or even the swing failure of this one can be a potential reversal. Okay, Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance. Well, it's holding um, the uptrend, to be honest, but I cannot be bullish here. I mean, we are into supply, and only if we look from a fee perspective, we can see we are at 61.8. So we are in the golden pocket. That means we can have a rejection around here, but not necessarily from 61.8 because we can push all the way up into next pivot point, which is supply. Where the I just enjoy drawing, guys. I mean, it's I've been drawing all my life, so I need to draw. We can even swing failure this high here and make a deviation and go lower. So I can see Bitcoin dominance pushing a little bit higher. Yeah. Um, but that will not change my opinion of the upcoming exit liquidity, which will be the pump, which everyone is expecting. But uh, keep in mind, guys, it will be the hardest part of the bull market. It will be the hardest part of the whole market because the emotions that you will feel and the greediness. I think only few people will, only the people with a clear plan and stuff like that, they will be able to book the profits and never look back and wait maybe 4 more years for the next bull market. I know what I'll do with the money. I'll trade the crap out of it. I'll exit fully on USDT, on USDC, and then I'll just have a big ass trading capital, and I'll trade my way to the millions. I have my plans made. It's up to you now. What are your plans? So I see the upcoming bull market, to be honest, like an exit liquidity rally. Everything will pump. We'll have our 5 minutes of greatness, and then after 1 month or 2 months, everything will be over. What are your criteria to exit the market? Well, I cannot say that because that requires a plan, and I cannot make a plan for you. I can't just say, if market does that, I will exit now. It's not that easy, guys. It's not that easy. 1 second, someone is calling me. Yeah, back. I don't know. All right. So it seems like we are dumping. We have some M's already forming here and here. All right. Let's go and see. Maybe we have some requests. Let's go back here on Bitcoin dominance. So as I said, we can have a potential one more swing failure of this high. So we can have an A, B, C correction here, and then we have an AB equals CD on a higher time frame. Well, Trump, I was taking out last night. I was looking for a sweep of this low here, the previous low at 24 bucks, Monday low. It seems like we reclaimed with a pretty nice W. There are money to be made on this shitcoin because, as you see, um, Trump is a little bit inversed from the market. I mean, this is like an index right now, an index which is drawing liquidity from the market. So if you want to bet, you might put a short on the market and the long on Trump. That's that's how it's working right now. But yeah, I mean, I didn't want it to stay woke up last night. I mentioned no. I'll not spare any other nights just to catch some setups and make, I don't know, for a few thousands, few hundreds of dollars. No, it doesn't worth it. Next bus always comes, especially here. All right. Okay. Let's look at total tree a little bit. I'm really curious about this one. Okay, monthly. Well, we had an ugly swing failure. Ah, I would like to unsee what I'm seeing, but I don't think I can unsee that. We can see this monthly FEG here. Let's go back on weekly. And we have two equal lows in the monthly FEG. We have this area which is supply. Dude, but where the yeah, you get the idea where altcoins will go if we dump further. Yeah, God knows. Let's go daily. Daily, it's a range. We have a clear range here. There is no indication of a breakout or anything like that. I saw a lot of people mentioning breakout, breakout here, breakout there. No, it's just a range. And if we think from a bull flag perspective, I mean, we can have our ABC here and breakout, but this is not the kind of breakout that I enjoy seeing when something is bullish. If something is bullish, you want to see breakout above the neckline here and consolidation above. Yeah, that's a bullish scenario. Right now, it's just a range. And if we are bullish, we should stay above this area. You can see actually the daily FEG violation. We are holding this level. 1 trillion, it's a big psychological level here. You can see 1 trillion. As long as we stay above this line, it's all right. Just my 2 cents. Like, as long as we are closing, because this is the weekly S&R, you can see it, yeah, weekly supply, which actually on the daily we are trying to take it as support. But looking at this daily candle, man, it's a ugly daily candle. I don't know, maybe retest of the range lows here, and maybe a quick week to the downside. I can see something like this. Like, let's check it out. 16, 18%. Yeah, I can see that happening. I wouldn't say it's impossible. Yeah, you get the idea. But no breakout until we displace with a big candle here. You want to see a big candle, not any kind of candle. This is just a rejection. You want to see something like this. That's a breakout. Yeah. All right. Let's look at total. I'm really curious, and then we can look at others. Well, total, we have a potential breakout here. And I don't know if you'd be looking from a perspective of stop changing the neckline. All right. All right. So we are holding above the breakout point, but it has the same issue here. I don't see any attempts on breaking out from the highs here. That makes me think that we might consolidate a little bit more. Actually, we can see the price just grinding the trend line here until it finds some sort of liquidity and we get that juicy W which will propel us to the upside. But I don't know, I don't have enough information. I don't like what I see here. It's very important to hold this trend line on the 4-hour and daily close. That's the main concern. Let's check others, and then we can go and look into some altcoins. Well, this range it's taking forever. Definitely, if we analyze it from a range perspective, we are closer to the lows of the range here. So any swing failure of the lows attempt here, you can see maybe a swing failure of the lows into the 78.6 around here would be a good. Actually, I'll put an alarm if I get a dump here to be sure that I'm longing the crap out of the market. I'm buying, uh, not longing, and then I target these highs. And maybe this one. So yeah, that's my plan. And it doesn't look like it wants to bounce, just my 2 cents. I mean, it needs way more liquidity in order to go higher. This is not something bullish. Yeah. I mean, look at this area here. The same crap. Until it finds enough liquidity, we had some equal lows, they took them. Yeah, so we can see something like this. And then it finds enough liquidity to reverse. All right, I'm boring you guys to that, no? I put some alarms because I want to load up. So seems like my YouTube is not. I need to use it on the other computer to see your comments, guys. Let's read the comments. They deserve a million subs. I'm okay. Oh, that's good. Russian menace in a building. uh, what are criteria? I think I discussed about that. And what is the name of the indicator? I don't know what indicator you mean. Maybe, I don't know, the Holy Grail, that one for which I use for the scalping. It's an indicator made by PJ for our community. Um, it's absolutely irrelevant how much I lost in terms of dollar, but I have to tell you that I didn't lost too many dollars because I was smart enough to start trading with low amounts, and until I wasn't capable of do 2x, 3x on my portfolio, I didn't added liquidity to my portfolio, so I didn't lost too much. I mean, I'm in a really good position if I'm thinking about that one. Let's take a look at WIF and then Woo or Deep. So let's go Woo. Well, Woo has lost a key level here. You can see it, the blue line, 18 cents. We lost that one. So I think I wanted this one. Okay, we are at the POC, so it's not a bad area to think investment. It's not a bad area at all to think about investing some. But I don't know, let's check monthly because that one gives me a better perspective. You might be looking at this area and this area. And let's go back on daily. Yeah, we are close actually, if you see. So you might be looking at first area of support, it's here at the POC, and then the next one we can look maybe at a potential swing failure of this area at 15 cents. Two areas of good support. Okay, let's go on the next one. WIF. Well, I'm going to tell you that monthly it doesn't look good. And to find enough liquidity to reverse, maybe this area, let's check it out. Okay, weekly we had a swing failure, daily we have a swing failure. 15 minutes. Actually, we have a bullish setup on WIF. But this one is for a scalp, and I'm not sure how much I want to get a bullish. I don't know how much I want to get bullish right now on WIF with the fact that I know Bitcoin will most likely potentially dump into 70 into Monday lows. So technically, I would have looked for a setup like this and doing some retarded intra range trading here, something like this. Yeah, something easy between these lines. Maybe a TP1 here at 0.5 of the fib, or even here when you see that the volume is ascending. And it's mostly due to the fact that we have this this area here. What are you doing? Fixed volume profile, I said. Yeah, okay, I see what you're doing. Extend, don't extend anything. Okay. So you can see we have the poke of this area exactly at 0.5. Now I'm giving you some juice. I'll make sure that we delete this video after. I'm joking. All right. So we might be looking for a partial TP around here, or even the value area low here. I don't know. Maybe this setup will work or will not work. I don't have a crystal ball, and I pretty much don't care if it will work or not. You have to take it, put some skin in the game, and that's it. Live with the results. That's the approach of a trader. All right. You are the only guy on crypto trading who's calling short-term bearish and fully long-term long. Well, I don't care about my bias or about anyone else's or stuff like that. I just care about trading my plans and make money because I know my plans have proved that they are bringing me consistent profits. If I'm drawing the line at the end of the month, I see that my plans are profitable. So what that means, it means that I have to I have just to execute my damn plan, nothing else. Yeah, they are trying to hold the potential demand here. I'm not saying no, but I don't know for how much time, because if we look at the daily, it's not looking great. We have a 4-hour demand against a daily supply. And look at this one here. 4-hour demand with a daily supply. With a potential rejection around here. So I can see something like this. Plunge, and then that's why I'm shorting this area. Where is Monday low? Because I think it's way lower. It's not here. This is Tuesday, Saturday, Monday. There you go. Yeah, that's it. Oh, 3.3R. For me, 3R it's way more than enough. 3R it's a very good target for trading. If you get consistently 3R, well, you're in a good position. All right. Questions, requests, something like that. My plans are made. So technically, I'm looking for a swing failure of the lows. Uh, let's open some Bitcoin too. This is spot, Bitcoin USDT spot. Same stuff here, as I mentioned. You can see actually the price is trying to reclaim under value area high. And we have a poke here. All right. And as I mentioned previously, I don't know how many times you saw this kind of patterns, but I'm really familiar with this kind of fuckery. And most of the time, it's just ending in a curve liquidity, uh, something like this. Yeah, you get the idea. So we'll have a flash crash, to put it like that. Yeah, that on low time frame, because it will not be anything in a high time frame to be scared of. All right. Yes, I'm do teaching my stuff. I only take like 5 or 8, 10 students because I don't want more. And I'm counting on I really want professionalism and I want people to be dedicated and learn about what I'm teaching. If you're not serious and stuff like that, well, it's up to you. It's your choice, but trust me, you will not be profitable. If you want to be profitable, you need to act professional and you want to have a really professional approach regarding the market. Okay, you might say, oh, Stefan is retarded. I don't care about what he's saying. Okay, don't care about what I'm saying. But if you want to make money, you want to treat market like a business and you want to treat market professionally. Otherwise, the market will take everything from you. And you don't want to F around with the market itself. Let's see, Stark. Well, it's not looking bad, but we have some external liquidity here. It's not necessarily a must on to be swing failures here. It's not necessarily, but I would tend to think that market would go for that one, especially when I see that we rejected POC. You see, we rejected POC here. I think the market will be looking for liquidity, so most likely we'll have something like this in order to reverse. And if we look at the trend, it's pretty much downside. Nothing changed here. Yeah. Let's see if I'll take a stop loss live. Looks like this double is fired, but I really can't trust them. And even if we are pumping, let's go on Bitcoin here. Let's go on 4 hours time frame. Let's go on 1 hour. I would be looking for a potential swing failure of the highs here in the POC 0.5 fee, but I don't think it will go that high. Just my 2 cents. I don't think it will go this high. These are the areas which I'll be getting interested in. Zero reach of pain. Zero cycles. Let's check my Tao. Well, that idea on WIF is going nice. I don't know if anyone took it, but this long here, it's not looking bad. I've been zero cycles around. Now you can check the website. Everything is there on the website. You have all the informations about VIP, Capwa 2, Capwa 1. Just don't make um, misunderstanding between VIP and Capwa and VIP and Premium. For example, I'm trading only in VIP. I'm live streaming on VIP, and most of the ideas that I'm posting are there. While Premium, it's more of a swing trade kind of approach. We have the Premium, we have the New York trading sessions there and stuff like that. While VIP is more of a scalping, it's made for traders. Yeah, you get the idea. If you have more questions, you can join and ask. All right. I'm curious about, let me check something here. Session volume profile. Let me check where the POC is. Yeah, he's trying to get out from the POC. You can from the value area high on Bitcoin, but I don't know. I don't know how successfully the price will break out from here. For me, it's looking more like a fake out, to be honest. And if it's pumping, I'd be looking for a potential swing failure here on really low time frame. This high, because you can see actually we had a swing low, swing high, and this is the low, which created an internal high, the impulsive movement. So we'll be looking for something like this, if it will be the case. Actually, I forgot to post the live on Discord. All right. And by the way, guys, I really appreciate it if you can retweet or maybe put a comment or put a like or anything like that. Yeah, because you make the algorithm pop better. Okay. Still not changing my idea. I mean, I see some W's here, but man, with all those equal lows, you're not convincing me to long around here. Just my 2 cents. I mean, we have a W here, we have another W here, but it's just not convincing me. And if we, it's not an area where I find my edge here. That's everything. And this is a way. I mean, finding your edge is very good, and it keeps you away from FOMOing random positions like the majority are doing. Ah, but what if it's going higher? What if it's going lower? What if it goes to all-time high by the end of tomorrow? What if? And you will destroy yourself mentally with all these questions on what if, but you will not be able to react and execute. You need to be very good at uh, you need to be very good at identifying your edge and identifying where you want to step in into the market and when you shouldn't step in the market. It's very important because a lot of people they are reacting based on of emotions, of their own impressions that the market might do something or that, or you get the idea. And in the end, you will end up just messing around with the market and with your portfolio. You will not have any positive P&L at the end of the day. You'll just panic buy, panic sell without a plan, and you won't have any positive curve in your P&L at the end of the month, at the end of the quarter, and stuff like that. So when you're trading, I'm not saying that you need to ignore your emotions. No, they are a big part of trading. They are actually 80% of trading. But you need to identify your emotions and then um, create a very well written plan that will help you manage your emotions. We might go to the 7-hour FEG to reverse on Bitcoin. Let's see the 7-hour FEG to reverse on Bitcoin. Well, yeah, that's what I mentioned. You can see if you go on low time frame. Yeah, that's what I mentioned. But there is a probability, yes. And I will look for a scalp short around here. If we do this before sweeping the lows, that will be my area to scalp short. Yeah, something like this. If we go for the Monday lows first, that will be my area for take profit. Easy. No in between. I do not care about anything else. I took two setups with the TAG indicator just to have some skin in the game. Mm, actually have a better entry than me now. No, sorry. If you're looking for a Monday low, yeah, you actually have a better entry than you had. If you want to put this one a little bit higher, you get the idea. Yeah. I mean, you see them here. These are my trades. And one more thing, life of a trader, guys. Marcus, I don't want to block you. I don't give a damn about any pre-sale or about anything else. Where is delete? I don't care about my future, man. Okay. Can you check Velo spot? Pretty ugly, nasty rejection here on 15 minutes. You can see. Basically, we just swing failure the highs. We have a bearish engulfing. You can see it on 15 minutes. Whatever. Let's check Velo. Does KuCoin have the most data? Yeah, Win has all the data possible. Velo, what do you want me to do on Velo? Let's look at some random levels. What do you want me to do on Velo? It's too high for me. I wouldn't take anything here. And oh my god, don't take me with that crap. But if you know that Tau will go to $2,000, why don't you buy it at $800? Because you will make money anyway. Well, I'm not here to make money anyway. I'm here to make money. Yeah, not anyway. I'm not that stupid to just ape tops and make money anyway. That is retarded thinking. That's it. I mean, I'm not personally speaking about anyone, but there is a psychology encouraged all the way up there to the big influencers that you can buy crypto anywhere and you'll make profits. Um, Paul, can you take care of that, please? Never mind. So no, you don't want to um, buy the market anywhere. You want to buy good levels. Yeah, those guys are trying to shield some crap. Kick their asses. uh, exactly, Hania. Show me a high and I'll show you a buy. And the influencers, they are trying to enforce the idea that any level is good. Well, that is poor bullshit. You don't want to buy any level. You want to buy good level because uh, to pinpoint my rant here and to make sense of my rant, let's say that Tau is going to 2,000 bucks. Well, I think it's going pretty easy. Um, and I saw a lot of people shilling it at 600. Well, that's 2x. You'll say, oh man, I bought Tau and I made the 2x, and you get the idea. And then you look at Stefan, who retardedly told you to that he is buying 367, and you said it's impossible. You see the difference here. If you have 100,000 bucks, you'll make 200,000, and with buying some random level, you'll say, okay, I made some money, yeah. But actually, if you buy a good level, you'll be at around 460. Go away. You'll be at around 468,000. Yeah. So don't tell me that buying levels that are shilled to you, it's in any matter good for your portfolio or for your future. That is poor bullshit. And most of you know those influencers who are shilling you tops as a buying opportunity. Stop being retarded and buying random locations. Buy good locations. And to be honest, uh, I have a lot of people here that can actually go and pinpoint you. We bought, and I said, buy the crap out of Tau here. Most of my Tau is bought here and here at the reclaim of this area. This is where I bought Tau. And then you'll go on weekly and say, okay, we have the $2,000 target. And you look at this and say, okay, man, this dude made 8.7x. So he actually, with some good levels, he made 871. So I made, yeah, roughly 4 times more than some random pleb buying random levels, shielded by random influencers. Hopefully you get the idea. Okay, let's go at Velo. That being said, buy good levels. Stop being shield levels and buying random ones. Well, I don't know if let me check. It's not logarithmical. Okay. This bot is a bit too steep for me, but and actually it's below 66, so it's not a valid one. Man, I don't know how to. So imagine that I'm holding a watermelon in my hand. I really don't know how to pick up this one. I mean, I would not touch it. I would not touch it. I missed the bus. 22x from the bottom. You can see based on the volumes here. Oh my god. I would not touch it, to be honest. I would not touch it. It's not for me, this chart. And if I would be to buy anything, maybe okay, I would force myself in buying, in maybe nibbling here at the 15, 0.15 area, maybe. But I would prefer to lose the boss because I don't see I mean, the potential has already been played out, just my 2 cents. I don't want to be the retarded guy who's happy with a 3x from here while the majority is the 41x. I mean, I can have way better plays like I don't know, just give an example from yesterday. We bought on DeFi, which was the one, Bochian. I have it from Bochian. 3sig and Array, yeah, and Grift and stuff like that. I mean, we can find way better plays than aping Velo here. Yeah, let me know if you guys have any other questions and smash that like button. That's a good point. 57 people, man, that's nice. I don't see how many likes we have. I don't know why I'm not seeing it. Maybe I need to change my account. 22. Oh my god, 22 and 57 dudes here. Guys, smash that like button, please. All right. Not too much volatility, to be honest. Not too much volatility. Let me check OBV. I'm really curious on how the OBV is looking. We have some M's, we have some W's. Not great, not terrible. Let's see, 5 minutes. Following the price action, absolutely nothing special here. Let's see the 1 hour. This is actually it's a swing failure. I don't see if this is equal low or swing failure low. Yeah, basically it's swing failure. I remember here I stayed woken up all the night to see if I get an entry. Ooh, we swing failure this H1 candle. Nice. All right. No, nothing interesting. It's just ranging, in my humble opinion. It's nothing special about it. Let's check RSI. Well, RSI fighting the 50s. Nothing special on this one. Just slowly going lower. We have a W in RSI following the price action here, but it's below 50 and I'm not interested in that. You can see actually it's trying to reclaim 50 once again. And 50 minutes, we have an attempt, but we also have an M here. Nothing, nothing too fancy. I'm still short. I either take a stop loss or I take profit. 29 likes. Okay, you guys, you can see, you can tap that. You can tap that button. Yeah, I know you DM'd me, but VIP it's closed. I have lots of requests lately for the VIP, but VIP it's closed until 31st of January. So you need to wait one more week until I'm opening VIP. Yeah, I don't know, or maybe PJ does some event, but no, we are waiting until 31st of January for the registrations. Let's see some crappy charts here. Well, to be honest, Kava is holding really nice. Here, look at the 1 hour, look at the daily. Kava is holding nicely. And we are just speaking about a range here. Range highs, range lows, but this accumulation, it's good here. Just my 2 cents. Yeah. First of February, actually. Yeah, sorry. Well, 31st, I said as the beginning, not, I mean, 31st night. That was my point. Well, resources, you can find them everywhere, but it's not necessarily about the resources. Mainly, it's about plans and how are you preparing each day. Well, I think I filled a spot bag here. I filled a spot bag actually on Tensor Hanya. Let's delete everything. Let's put a value area. We rejected bulk. I don't like that one. Let's see, monthly. We have the value area low exactly at the monthly demand here. We're approaching two swing failure levels. which I think will provide some liquidity for a potential reversal. Let's go on weekly. Swing failure, liquidity, very, very nice. And also the monthly demand. I don't see a reversal happening too soon. We can see actually we are just taking as resistance previous supply level. So we can see supply confirmed, retested by this previous week. Supply confirmed, retested down. Now we took another supply level and we are between supply and demand here. So the price is just fluctuating between these two areas on a weekly time frame. Daily, we lost the previous week S&R. Is now its supply if it's tapping it, and most likely I'm looking for here. So we can have something like this, or actually we can have a pump in this area, retest 0.5 GAN level of the whole week here, which is actually in a very good confluence. You can see it with your naked eye. It's in a very good confluence with that key level, weekly S&R. But this is a good area to buy here, and this area. So 32, 30, that's a good area. I like Tensor. I like the risk to reward. I like the fact that they have a really, really, really emerging working platform. You can actually have a lot of fun. You can see charts on NFTs. You can see lots of stuff, and I absolutely love Tensor. So I see the risk to reward is very good on this coin. I don't know. Let's speak about maybe 0.5 range tap from the highs, but I'm way more bullish than that. And let's just be conservative and not speak about too big of profits. But you can see actually we have a 3.5x or a 4.6, which is pretty good. Just my 2 cents. On a 5x on the bag, it's really, really, really nice, and it's doable. Okay, let's check. Bitcoin, it's rejecting here, and Ethereum is rejecting this hourly candle. Nothing too fancy here. I see an M, but I mean, I don't care. All right, I thought we have some action, but we don't have. So I'll be a buyer at these blue levels. Let's say I buy 0.25% here, and then 0.5 and 0.5 more, so I can have like a 1.5% back exposure on this one. I really like Tensor, and I like everything that they do. I actually bought some NFTs there, so yeah, I'm a buyer on Tensor. Can look at PAL. Alex, I can teach you how to read the chart in 3 days, 4 days. It's insanely hard to manage risk, to have a plan, and create context. Yeah, even a cat or a dog can pinpoint some levels, some stuff, can draw, yeah, some levels. Yeah, get the idea. But creating a context on a better understanding of the market, putting everything together, risk management, planning, context, and understanding the market, that's the key component of trading. Let's look at PAL. Yeah, you're welcome, Hanya. You still will be doing the VIP sessions when Capua started? Yeah, I'll be doing the VIP daily. There is no stopping on those ones. Actually, the Capua members will be joining the sessions from VIP, and they'll be asking questions and stuff like that. Let's check PAL. Hopefully we have a chart here because I don't want to go on. There is one. I have a spot bag loaded on this monthly W. What is this? Not should be not here. Should be here actually. I was looking at this one, I think. Yeah, whatever. Uh, let's go on weekly. On daily, we have a ugly flip here of the SNR. Man, this candle tells a story. All right, let's go on monthly. Let's see where the buyers are stepping in. Ooh, okay. Okay, not those buyers. Let me isolate those those buyers. Same stuff. I think I need to play levels. Yeah. I see it had different stages. Uh, all right, so I have my first big area of buyers, then I have the second one here. Bye bye, Miss American Pie. We had a nice LJ. I don't know what happened here. Maybe some FUD or something like that. But I really don't care. Let's go on monthly back. Let's look at 0.5 fib of this one. Extend the lines. Right, not left. Let's go on a weekly. We have an effigy here, which was actually really nice holded, and it's acting like a demand. So that's good. Let's go on daily. We have a upward channel here. Let's look just at the lows of the channel in confluence with the 200 EMA. So, and actually, let's check it out. That's 0.5 of the whole range, which is not bad. And let's take this leg here. Yeah, ugly color. There we go. So, yep, buddy. I think I'll be a buyer around here in this blue box. I have lots of confluences to think long here. Lots of confluences. So swing failure of this low. Actually, I'll put an alarm because I want to get my ass on this project. All right. So 30 cents. Next one. Can check CRV. The merge with fetch happened there. Oh, all right. I didn't know. I didn't know. Let's check CRV. Bitcoin still there, Ethereum still there, nothing changed. Well, on 50 minutes, I would be tempted to long. I mean, the market structure is looking good. Even, I don't know, you would look at the squiggly triangle, ascending triangle, which I'm not trading, but you would have a lot of reasons to long on a low time frame, to be honest. But looking at the high time frame and keeping the context in your mind tells me not too long here. It might work. I'm not saying that it wouldn't work, but keeping in mind the context, the high time frame bias, the look of the 1 hour candles you can see here actually reacting as pretty strong demand. Maybe I would look for a long, to be honest. If we are breaking this neckline here with a displacement, we retest, I don't know, 3.2 thousand, and then we retest it, I would look for an entry around here. But until then, I see absolutely no reason to long around here because we just flipped on a bearish perspective. We just flipped this massive S&R with this dump here. So this candle just flipped the range. But that's a bit more like advanced stuff. Let's check CRV. All right. That this coin made me nice money. Before hopping on into that, because I see a lot of people DMing me asking about um, one second, one second. I didn't want it to do that. One second. There you go. So I had a lot of questions lately about Discord and Capua. Guys, you have a website here, and you can check everything which we are doing. So basically, if you want to learn how to trade, let's say that you're not a profitable swing trader, you don't know how to invest, you have no idea about investing, trading, and stuff like that. Well, Capua One is for you. Sadly, and good for you actually, is that I cannot take you in Capua to you because you will break your neck. I'll go on 5 minutes time frame, 15 minutes and scalp and make money day in, day out, and you'll not manage to keep up the pace, and you'll get frustration, you'll get a lot of emotions, and you'll be very disappointed on your current status. You want to take everything step by step and build yourself as a professional trader. And if you want to learn how to trade, you can see actually here the program Capo One. This is the perfect trading school, which actually lasts for a month. And this is getting you into planning, risk management, developing a comprehensive trading plan model, fundamental and technical analysis, um, and how you need to build the process of trading, how to build yourself as a trader. And then if you really are already good at trading, not good, maybe you're an investor and you take some 4 hour, 12-hour swing trades from time to time and you manage to make money, you can hop into Capua 2 where I'm teaching you from scratch everything. I'll be having Monday to Friday live. I'll be daily scalping with you. I'll be teaching you everything that you need to know about scalping, how to trade the range game, um, advanced market structures, lots of stuff. Because mainly I'm trading with market structure, as you saw. Or if you only want to join premium, which is the side for a more swing trader approach, and we have the investment plans, then this is the one for you. If you want scalping, this is my trading corner, which I'm taking only about 20 people each month. I don't want more because I don't want too many people there, to be honest. Because I'm putting a lot of effort in teaching people. It's not just I don't have just my trades there. Actually, I'm also giving information and teaching and live trading, and you will have a lots of questions. How you do that? How you plan? How you frame and stuff like that. And I really want to um, answer to those questions. All right, I want to answer to those questions and give people the quality that they need. Actually, starting now, I think we'll accept more people, as I discussed with PJ, because actually there's a lot of people that have joined, I don't know, 12 months ago, and they are continuing monthly, and that proved that they are doing consistent profits day in, day out, and I'm enjoying that. Okay, getting back to our horses here. Not too many things change, to be honest. It's not looking great. It's not looking great. I'm still short, nothing changed. All right, let's get back to requests because I wanted to mention that because I had a lot of questions in DMs and I think it's easier to put it in this way. Well, I bought here, and I mentioned everywhere on Twitter, on Discord. I mentioned, and to be honest, I took profits. I took 75%. I'm off. I took a lot of profits around here. You can see the swing failure of this major pivot high, and I will reload again. If we look at the At the chart, well, 61.8 falls in very good area here at 58 cents. I think it's a good and fair area to be reloading. And you see, actually, we have a 2x once again until on the highs. I can easily see an AB equals CD happening here, like a potential bull flag, AB equals CD. But I want to make a point here. I don't like when a project consolidates forever, like Caspa, for example. Yeah. I don't have any beef with Caspa. Some of you know that I shorted that distribution that I saw on the top on Caspa. When a project is taking a lot of time, Caspa did on consolidation, that's not good for the project. This is not something healthy. This project is consolidating since November 2023. 1 year and something of consolidation. It's not healthy. It's not good, meaning that we'll have huge volatility, something like this. And I don't want to see this happening on CRV, for example, because I'm pretty bullish on CRV. I want to see this stuff happening faster, have big volatility, maybe even a big dump or a 30% dump, and then reclaim and continue to new highs. That's something healthy, not what Kaspa is doing. Kaspa, I think, is slowly caballed um, by the people that are in lead. I don't know. I'm just suppositions, nothing like that. Okay, let's look at. Let me put my OBS and show you some uh, random coins, and it's build too, Paul. I bought that one too. We have our. I mean, that's why I love. That's why I love this Discord, guys, because we have people which are really dang good at some. I mean, we have really good traders on DeFi. We have really good traders on meme coins. We have good scalpers on normal market. We have traders of traditional market. You get the point. So the more people, quality people, the more value we'll have, and I enjoy seeing that. All right, let me share the screen. There we go. So we aped into, where is my screen? Okay, Ray is looking good. I was speaking with Bochan about this one, and come on, give me the volumes. I don't want to give me the volume. I think I should put a VPVR, but whatever. All right. So as you can see, actually, we have a blank area around here, which I think the price will bounce pretty nicely off. And even from a feed perspective, I don't think I need it, but it's a 88.6, 78.6. Here I can see a potential AB equals CD, a bearish one. 1 second. Here. I mean, we had a nice W, tried to reclaim this neckline, but it didn't reclaim. So I'm thinking of a potential swing failure of the lows. And I'll be a buyer around here. I really like the look of it. Here and here. So 42 to 36, it has pretty good upside potential. I mean, you can easily get yourself half on a double, you can see here. And then 3 sig, I already loaded pretty heavily yesterday at I loaded here at 1.6. We had a nice pump yesterday, a 53% pump. I was looking at this level reclaim. So right now I'm really I really want to see this level holding. So I want to see a potential inverse head and shoulder here. I want to see a bounce if we are retesting again 18 to 16 area. And then I loaded pretty nicely on build. I loaded here, and this area was my main focus. I was discussing with Bochian. If we see a potential W, and there we go, we have our W. I loaded, nothing that I can do. I think easily we can get our sell half on a double with a 50% take profit here, and that's it. Just some projects that we are looking into. Can check NI injective. I'll take 2 more requests and then I'll just take a break. NI injective, and then I'll take Hanya Sui. One more low after RIP, maybe yeah, maybe not. I don't know. Okay, let me put back the OBS. Let me drink some water. Okay, so injective. Injective is one of the projects actually which I hate, just because of what I mentioned on Kaspa. This is not healthy. Look at this area. It's resembling, just my 2 cents. I like this weekly W, but I don't like the fact that it's just, I mean, look at this rejection here, swing failure the highs and just went back. I don't like this. And I think it can turn in the same crap here. And I really don't like it. I would have liked, this is crap structure is not good for the price action. I would have liked some sort of CRV chart with a big dump manipulation and then continuation, or at least stay here above the neckline. It's looking ugly. For the performance, from a performance point of view, it's looking ugly, not from a different point of view. I have a big bag because I bought around here and here. I don't know who shielded on our Discord, but I remember someone discussing about it around here, and I bought quite a big bag, and now it's risk free. Okay. As I mentioned, so the structure is really ugly. I don't like it. I don't like it. Monthly is looking even uglier. Look at this, bearish. I'm expecting a swing failure of the lows here at $13. We are too close to that, so we are at 20. I'm expecting this, and then maybe they find enough liquidity to reverse it. Maybe. ENA. Monthly. I have a long on ENA. Okay. We violated the monthly FEG. Pretty good reaction from that one. We have a monthly W. We have a supply confirmed here. Not looking great. How do I get rid of this? Never mind. So I may be looking to add to my bags around here, this blue box. I'm not a buyer here. And I mean, look at this rejection on the previous week. We just confirmed supply. It's not looking great. However you put it, it's not looking great. All right. And now let's check. Well, XRP, to be honest, I don't even want to look at this one. Just made new all-time highs. It's useless to have any observation on it. It has no sense from my 2 cents. It's at resistance. We have the 4.66 chaos level. We can swing failure and one more time here the high. And we can dump once again here. So I don't know, maybe that's a good shorting opportunity. But you need to be fast to do that. Let's put an alarm there. All right. And let's check Sui. Well, I was looking for a potential 3 drives on Sui. So one more swing failure here. Same observation for Sui. So if this one doesn't want to fail like Kaspa, we need to do maybe, so we have first, second, maybe one more, the third drive here, an aggressive dump, maybe retest this neckline, and then continue higher. because the more time it spends on a nasty kind of pattern that does nothing, ranges, that's not good. Yeah, especially from the winners, yeah, the big winners like Sui. You want them to perform nicely, and I think if we get another swing failure here, reject, report all the liquidity here from below, that would be a good indication. That would be a good one. And then continue higher. I'm not necessarily saying it has to go here. No. Mm, even here, look at this one, monthly. So 3.17, that would be a good level. And reverse from this area. Yeah. Well, I think that would be it. I had lots of fun, and you can look at ENA, low time frame. Well, I took a look at ENA, but low time frame, I don't know, just a range here. Looking at 1 hour, you are in a range. You want to treat it accordingly. So we see we reclaimed. Next one, maybe it's mid-range, which is here. So maybe if you're long around here, 15 minutes, you want to take some profits around here or here. Nothing too fancy. Range game. I don't see anything special on this one. Maybe a potential LJ long on 15 minutes. Yeah, we have it. But I tend to think range, especially with Bitcoin. With those Monday lows, let me check if this one took Monday low. No, it didn't. Monday low, Monday high. Let's put them with blue. Let's go back on 15 minutes. So if I'm looking from a Monday range scalping perspective, this is a no touch because we are exactly at the equilibrium. So I think this is a trap. It's a trap. I think we see something like this, swing failure the lows here, then fail to reclaim this range, then swing failure the low, and here you want to scalp long, get a position yourself here, target range highs, TP1, TP2, maybe here and here. Milk the position. Last request that I'm taking Phil, and then I'm done. And you also didn't mention the time frame, so I'm going to presume it's daily. I don't know. Nothing too fancy, too special here. I would prefer to see maybe one more swing failure of this low. Reject once again here. Swing failure this low. A lot of altcoins are looking about the same. We have to give a lot of attention to Monday high and Monday low here. Just my 2 cents. I mean, a lot of them, they are looking like a potential LJ long. I'm not saying it will not happen. It can happen, actually. If you want to look from that perspective, you can look at something like this. Maybe target Monday high. But I don't know, it can be. I'm not saying it cannot be. It can be. But use proper risk management, whatever you're doing, and I think you'll be fine. Maybe trim some around here. Not looking bad. All right. That being said, guys, I'll call it a session, and we'll see you again uh, tomorrow. Actually, not tomorrow. Today, because we have trading session with PJ starting in 4 hours from now. I'll be taking a break. I have the same setups here. I really don't care if I'll take a stop loss or a take profit. It's up to the market what it will do. My job is to take my setups. That being said, we'll hear you guys in the next trading session. Thank you very much for smashing that like button. I appreciate all the comments and all the requests and the consistency. Keep in mind, guys, consistency is the most important skill that you have. If you don't have consistency in anything that you're doing, well, that's pretty bad because you won't succeed and you won't have results. If you want to trade with us, you can find us on Discord. You can find us anywhere uh, on Twitter or in the website. But if you want to trade day in day out with us, you can find us on Discord. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll hear you on the next trading session. Bye bye.